Right, little random video. You're about to see what happens if you get sent to the naughty corner trying to go through the tunnel with hazardous stuff. This foreign bloke obviously don't understand the system, and I can kind of understand it. He's from another country, probably a bit confused by it all. Didn't turn off in time, didn't go through the pen because he's meant to go through there because he's got toxic and flammable stuff. Well, as you can see, the traffic lights are holding everything back. It's got the allocated vehicle that it wants. It will let it through the first barrier, I reckon, shut the second one and divert it through, because he tried to go through that red patch, which was wise of him. He did try, bless him, but I think the ladies just said to him, look, go through the lights, the other barrier will open. But there you go, look, it'll go green for him and then it'll go red, which will hold me back. Second set of barriers will come down, so he'll get stuck in the pen. Red lights, barriers come down, he's stuck in the middle. The left hand barrier will open, and I can hazard a guess that I think he's going to be in trouble. If you get through to this part without without going through the pen, I don't know how they see genuine mistakes, I really don't. All the barriers come down, left hand one's now opened, don't know if you can see that. He's now going to get put into the naughty corner. The annoying thing is, all this, to get the vehicle they want, it really backs up all the traffic, really backs up all the traffic. Not good. Better restart my timer so I don't get told off for idling too much. And there he goes. Everyone should be let free now. Make sure I put it into the right gear. I keep putting it in reverse. I think I've scared a lot of people behind me. And the theory is we should all get to go now they've got their vehicle. Barriers go up, lights go green. Away we go. Right, just a little random video. That's what happens if you don't go through the pen, as I call it. You kind of have to go off just before the tunnel and yeah, park in one of the bays, go to the office, I think declare what you've got, because there's some stuff that, you know, I had to go through the tunnel with. I don't know the ins and outs of it, but yeah, I'm going to stop blathering on there. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll see you all in the next video, people.